Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Finally today I started making videos for the geography students of CBSE class 12th. So here I am telling you the latest curriculum of geography class 12th for the 2020-21 session. As the news of changes in the syllabus of board classes is in the circulation, but there is no change in the prescribed syllabus of our subject, that is geography, till yet. Perhaps there are some chances of changes in the syllabus, but there would be the elimination of some irrelevant topics from some chapters, not the whole chapters. So let's get started understanding the curriculum for the board examinations. Firstly, I want to say that geography exam of this year is also not conducted till now because everyone knows what situation is going on. So I want to appeal that stay at home and fight together against the COVID-19 pandemic. Here is the curriculum, or you can say the syllabus of CBSE class 12th geography for the session 2020 and 21. In geography, we have one theory paper of 70 marks and rest 30 marks is of the practical work. We have two books in geography named Fundamentals of Human Geography and India, People and Economy. In the first book, we have 5 units, as you see in the curriculum, comprised of 10 chapters which are of 30 marks. Our first unit is of Human Geography, which has one chapter, Human Geography, Nature and Scope. Second unit is Pupil, जिसमें हमारे पास 3 chapters हैं, The World Population, Distribution, Density and Growth, Population Composition and Human Development. There is third unit which comprised of 3 chapters, that is primary activities, secondary activities, tertiary and quaternary activities. Here the 2 chapters included in this unit are of the next unit, Transport, Communication and International Trade. And the last unit, fourth or you can say fifth unit is of Human Settlements, which has only one chapter, Human Settlement. So total we had 10 chapters in this book. In the second book also we have 5 units but total of 12 chapters which are also of 30 marks. So the first unit is population, जिसमें हमारे pupil, जिसमें हमारे पास 3 chapters आते हैं, population, distribution, density, growth and composition, migration, types, causes and consequences and human development. Second unit है human settlements की, जिसमें एक ही chapter है. Third unit है resources and development, जिसमें we had 5 chapters, land resources and agriculture, water resources, minerals and energy resources, manufacturing industries, planning and sustainable development in Indian context. फोर्थ यूनिट आती है हमारी ट्रांसपोर्ट, कम्युनिकेशन एंड ट्रेड की, जिसमें 2 चैप्टर्स हमारे पास हैं. एंड लास्ट यूनिट है विच हैज़ ओनली वन चैप्टर, दैट इज़ जोग्राफिकल पर्सपेक्टिव ऑन सेलेक्टेड इश्यूज एंड प्रॉब्लम्स. सो इस तरीके से इस बुक में हमारे पास टोटल 12 चैप्टर्स हो जाते हैं. एंड फाइनली होल जोग्राफी के अंदर हमारे 10 + 12 यानी कि 22 सब चैप्टर्स हमारे हो जाते हैं जो हमें बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशंस के लिए स्टडी करने हैं. Apart from theory work, 5 marks map work, total of 10 marks will come from both the books and 70 marks will be completed in this manner. So 5 marks map come from the first book and second 5 marks map will be from the another book. फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ ह्यूमन जोग्राफी बुक से हमारा वर्ल्ड मैप आता है जो कि आइडेंटिफिकेशन के लिए होता है, लेकिन जो सेकंड बुक से, इंडियन बुक से हमारा जो मैप आता है वो इंडिया का मैप आता है एंड वो लोकेटिंग एंड लेबलिंग के लिए होता है. एंड टोटल 10 मार्क्स का हमारा मैप जोग्राफी में आता है. नाउ देयर इज़ वन मोर बुक ऑफ जोग्राफी विच इज़ ऑफ प्रैक्टिकल वर्क कंप्राइजिंग ऑफ 30 मार्क्स. ये बुक हमारी तीसरी बुक है. इसके अंदर हमें एक रिकॉर्ड फाइल बनानी होती है, हमारा एक प्रैक्टिकल एग्जामिनेशन होता है एंड हमारा स्कूल टीचर के द्वारा एक फील्ड सर्वे कराया जाता है. तो हम यहाँ पर उसकी बात नहीं करते हैं क्योंकि ये आप प्रैक्टिकल वर्क 30 मार्क्स का आपका स्कूल टीचर आपके कंडक्ट कराएंगे. Now if I talk about the question paper design, so this year question paper design will be released soon by the CBSE board. But for the students of 2019-20 session, I want to say that in your examination there would be total 30 questions of 70 marks 18 questions of 1 marks each, that is objective type questions or multiple choice questions. Then you have 4 questions of 3 marks each and 6 questions of 5 marks each. And at the end, 2 questions of map from both the books will be there of 10 marks, 5 marks each. So I'm done with this video. Hope you liked it. You can like, share and subscribe my channel for the videos of geography, and soon I will also make videos for the social science CBSE class 9th and 10th. If you had any query related to the curriculum, you can ask in the comment section.